Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelvin, but you can call me Kelvin Peeps. And I'm so excited to making this video because this is literally my first video ever on this channel. I've been trading Forex now for 2 years, and by God's grace I've been profitable. So I've decided to open this channel to show you guys, to start teaching you what I know and how you too can be profitable. A lot of guys out there say Forex on YouTube, especially on YouTube, they make it look like Forex is easy. No, bro, it's not easy at all. It ain't easy. You're gonna be blowing accounts from account to account. You see what I'm saying? So all I'm doing is teaching you guys ways, tricks, techniques, strategies, how you can be very profitable in this business, because you have to put in the work. So today I'm just going to be teaching you guys how to properly draw your trend line. How to draw the correct trend line, because a lot of people, I see people drawing trend lines the wrong way. If you draw your trend lines the wrong way, you're going to lose a lot of money. So you need to know how to draw your trend line. Okay, very important. You need to know how to draw your trend line. So first things first, if you like this video, if you like the content I'm sharing right now, the knowledge I'm giving, just do one thing for me. Click the like button and subscribe to this channel, because you're going to be getting a lot of videos, on how to make money. We're all here to make money, So first things first, I'm just going to quickly close out all those indicators and teach you guys how to draw a valid trend line that is real valid. And again, what is a trend line? A trend line in this, a trend generally is something that occurs frequently. It could be a car, it could be, people, something that is in vogue, something that trends consistently. Okay, but in this context, in trading, a trend line is a particular point where the price react to, a particular point where price react to. Okay, and when I mean react, it reaches there and it bounces off back. So for example, if we take this right here, you see that price is making a downtrend, but if you look at that, price reacts to this region. This regions, price always react to these regions. Okay, see that price react to this region, it bounces off from here, and again right here, right here, it bounces off from right here too. Okay, so that's what a trend line is on Forex trading. So in this example, we're going to be making use of the NZD USD, the New Zealand United States dollar. Okay, and you could apply this on any time frame. Right now I'm using the 1 hour, and I'm on Trading View. If you don't know, I know most of you guys use Trading View just like me. I'm on the 1 hour. You can use it, you can do it on 4 hours, you can do it on 3 hours, you can do it, but right now I'm just going to be teaching this on the 1 hour. Okay, so how do you draw your valid trend line? A valid trend line, first of all, must consist of at least 3 points where price react to, at least 3 points where price bounces off. So how do you draw the proper trend line? So what I do is, first things first, I check what the market is doing at the point in time. As a day trader, you don't want to go to your chart and be looking, taking analysis from a week ago. Nope, you want to know what the market is doing at that point in time. And as we can see on this chart, and I'm doing this on the mobile phone. Okay, you can do your analysis too on the phone. So I do. If you want to go and you want to do analysis, you can use your mobile phone on Trading View. So if we notice the market has been trending down, okay, market is making lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Okay, and as soon as price go to this zone right here, it formed like a contraction and a double bottom. All right, market right here formed a nice double bottom. Nice double bottom. See that? Nice double bottom. And boom, what happened? The market started trending up, started making higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high. So what do you do? How do you draw this trend line right now? It's easy. What do? You take your trend line from the last failed flip zone. That's what I call flip feed. Where the market is making a lower low, lower high, is flipping. But when it got to this point, it went up a little bit and it came down back, but it didn't break this lower low. So that's where the flip zone is. So what I usually do is I take my trend line from the first flip zone, and that is the only valid trend line. So I'm saying from the first flip zone, and boom, you draw it like this. See that? So that's a change of momentum. I think that's what we call change of structure. It's trending down, trending down, trending down. All of a sudden, it formed the double bottom, and boom, it's flipped. It started making lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high. Okay, so this right here now is a valid trend line. If you notice, market reacted to 3 places. Okay, market has reacted to 3 places. This is place number 1. Market reacted to this place, it went up. Okay, it touched the same zone again. It touched the same zone right here. Boom, it went up. Okay, it touched the same zone again. It touched the same zone again, and that's where it is right now. Okay, and you can literally take your trades from those zones. And once price gets to the zone, it does 2 things. Okay, this is pretty easy though. This right here, I see it as something that's really easy, and it's golden. It's quality information. When price gets to your trend line, it does 2 things. It's either bouncing off back or it's breaking out. And when it breaks out, for those of you who you are a breakout trader, you can take your trades too. Okay, so when it gets to this zone, it formed a little contraction. Boom, it went up. That's a nice trade right there. You know, it pulled back, it came back to the same zone right here. You see, it went up back, and it's at the same zone. You see what I'm saying? So if you draw your trend line correctly, then you can take a trade right from there. You can take a trade right from there. When you're very sure that it's not going to break out, you see what I'm saying? You check your price action, you see what the price is doing, forming bullish pin bars. As soon as you see a bullish engulfing candle, you know that, okay, it looks like price is going to go up. You know, you just take your trade right there and see that. That's like 4:1. Put your stop loss a little bit below this place. Okay, so that's how you draw your valid trend line. Make sure it's touching at least 3 points, and your trend line is drawn from the first failed flip zone. All right, so I'm just gonna make this video brief and sharp, and that is what I have for you guys today. If you find this content interesting, if you find this content valuable, please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel, because I have a lot I'm gonna be showing you guys. Thank you. Stay blessed.